Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's introduce me and my friend. My name is Seri Maliandra and my friend
Helena Diana.
So we will talking about future plan. Hi Helena, what do you want to do after graduating?
I want to work bank free so I can get income right away. How about you?
I will continue my master plan to Thailand.
That's cool. What major will you take?
I will take a major related to computer. Do you have any other plan?
After working for a few years, I want to travel to Japan. I want to see Mount Fuji.
Wow, that's fun. Hope our plan come true.
Same to you too.